Uh, yeah, right. Can you see the screen now?
Yes.
Right. Yeah, this is the question.
In cost, A brings 3 log of food, 5 log of food, A, P, and C. I have paid my dues. How should A and B share the money? What I did that first I thought that C paid his dues means 80 rupees he has to pay, and considering A and B will also pay 80 each. So 160. A and B are supposed to pay 160. If they collect money, then they will collect 80 each. So A and B will pay 160 together. And now we have to divide them in 3:5 ratio. Something like that I did. But then the question is, the question is A and B, how A and B will share the money. So these 80 rupees need to be shared among A and B. If that's the case, then 30 and 50.
Okay, right. So, what is your logic for 30 and 50?
Since A and B brought some material and C is paying for that 80 rupees extra. So that 80 rupees need to be distributed among A and B. No, I'm not sure.
So now you assume that the one log of wood costs 10 rupees. So like you are giving for 8 logs, you are giving 30 rupees to A and 50 rupees to B. But then what this means is A and B are not contributing anything for the heating cost, right? It's like A initially spent some effort. He spent 30 rupees worth of effort and he gets back 30 rupees. C spends 50 rupees worth of effort and he gets back 50 rupees. So effectively they are spending 0 rupees. And
No. So basically, what means I look at the scenario as that suppose forget about the log. A, B, and C are paying equal money. So as C is paying 80, A should also pay 80, and B should also pay 80, right? But A is paying 3 logs.
Yeah, correct.
And he suppose as we said that logs price is 10 rupees. So A is paying 3 in terms of logs means 30 and plus 50. No, this is not working.
I'm thinking like, see, since C was the only person who got money, he is paying for all three of them in terms of rupees.
Correct. Yeah, he's the one who's giving the money. Yes.
He is the one who is giving the money. So, and since each of them have, we are assuming each of them are sharing it equally, right? The money, the
Yes.
heating cost is being shared equally.
Yes.
Each person share in the money should be 22 thirds. Rupees 22 thirds. Or 80 by 3.
Okay.
80 by 3 is 22, 67. Wait, what did I do?
Okay. So you are saying everyone's cost should be, everyone should have eventually spent 80 by 3, right?
80 by 3, correct.
Okay.
80
Why
by 3?
80 by 3 mega?
Because C was the only person who actually paid money.
Huh.
C was the only person who paid money. So the money equivalent of all the fire of all the logs that is burning there is 80 rupees for all the three of them.
So actual expenditure is 80 rupees, which was bared by C.
The money equivalent. The money equivalent is 80 rupees. Each person share in money equivalent is 80 by 3.
So it is like, it's not that only C is sharing the cost. So C is saying,
A and B are also sharing the cost, right?
yeah,
In terms
so
of log.
whatever the cost is, like A and B are giving some wood. C is not having any wood, so he gives money. But he is saying, yeah, whatever I am supposed to pay, I have paid. This is like my share. My
So Ashwin, is it something like 3x plus 5x plus 80 is the total expenditure? So 8x plus 80 will be the total expenditure.
Okay.
And so dividing by 8, x plus 10 is the total expenditure.
So you are saying in your calculation, X is the cost of 1 log of wood, is it?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
So we got x plus 10 is the total expenditure, and so x will be equal to total expenditure minus 10. Suppose we call this as x, so 3x plus 5x plus 80 is the total expenditure. So this is 8x plus 80 is equal to total expenditure. So x plus p by 8, or instead we can take 8x is equal to e minus 80. We are nowhere. So everyone's cost is, as you said, e by 3 is equal to, as Megha said, that everyone has to bear e by 3. So can we calculate e by 3 here? Dividing by 3, so this upon 3 is equal to e by 3 minus 3x. This will be A's share, and B's share will be 8x plus 80 upon 3 minus 5x. Okay.
Right. But so X is the cost of the log, but you don't know what the cost of the log is, no?
Yes.
Okay, I'm thinking again the same thing that I had started with. Okay, I'm going to share. I mean, I'm still not. I'm trying to get into an equation. I've still not arrived at an equation yet.
Okay.
So what I have done is, there are two components of the share of the heating expenses. One is the money component and one is the log component.
Yeah.
Okay. So each person's share in the money component is rupees 26 up 2/3. That is 80 upon 3.
Okay.
Each person's share. And each person's share in the log component is 2 2/3. That is 8 upon.
Okay.
Okay. So A should spend 2 2/3 log and 26 rupees 2/3, 26 plus 2/3 rupees. Similarly, B and similarly C. Now, A has spent only 1/3 more log than what he should have shared, but he has not 26 2/3 money. So basically, I'm trying to arrive at an equation where I can
So
equate.
Megha. So A and B's amount will be 52, means or C has paid this much extra. He was supposed to pay 26 and 2/3.
So 2/3.
And he paid 80 rupees. So that is 52 plus 4/3 he paid extra.
160
What
upon
are A and B?
extra.
What?
Or he paid 52 2/3, no? Extra. So 52 2/3 extra. So 52.
So 52 2/3 extra, and which is equal to 8x.
What is 8x?
Cost of 3 logs and cost of 5 logs.
No, it should not be 8x. It should be only equal to his share of logs. So basically, it should only be equal to 2 2/3 plus 2 2/3 log. Got it? So, okay. So, to write write A, B, and C as columns. Three columns. And write on the left hand side of A, thoda niche, write logs. Write 2 2/3 under each.
Logs के यहाँ 3 5 आएगा ना?
No, 2/3.
So everyone is supposed to give 2/3, but A is giving 3. So he's like giving
Right,
1/3
2/3.
extra.
3 and 5 is already written there. We don't need to see that.
So 2
2/3.
like this.
No,
2/3.
no,
Two
basically
whole
8 by
number
3.
and 2/3.
8 by 3, that's what she means.
8 by 3 means
2
8 by 3 means 2/3.
Okay. 2 integer 2 by 3. Okay.
How do you say 2/3, Shubhangi? How do you say that? I mean, am I saying something wrong?
No, no, no.
How
I
would
mean, you're right only. It's just that like she didn't understand the context.
No, I understood. I got it. But different people speak it differently, no? So I just wanted
2
to understand.
integer 2 by 3.
Oh, is that how you speak? I don't speak like that. Okay. Okay, right? 2/3 everywhere. Under B also and under C also. Now under
You
C, when I
divided
get
basically total 8 log divided by 3. That is what you did,
correct,
right?
correct. Now,
Okay.
now C you can
And
circle or you can make an underline somewhere so that we know that C has not paid. Anyways, amount to be paid is 26 2/3 or 80 by 3, whatever you want to write. 26 2/3. Now,
extra.
okay.
So
Now,
this is deficiency, right? C has not paid this, whereas C has paid extra.
this an accounts person will be able to do immediately, you know. 52. No.
No, I made
26
this.
multiplied by 2. 26. So basically, C paid extra as C paid extra 20, 52 2/3. Extra how much he paid, right? C paid 52 2/3. Okay. And this is the extra part in rupees. So you write rupees somewhere so that we know that it is rupees and not logs. That one, huh? And A has paid 1/3 log extra. 1/3 log extra.
1/3 log extra. Okay. Logs. And
He has paid how much? 2 1/3, right?
1/3.
2
Right.
1/3.
Correct.
Now what to do? So now we have to, so this basically A has to get 1/3 worth of money, 1/3 log worth of money, and B has to get 1/3 log worth of money, which has to be shared in the ratio, in that ratio, it has to be 52 2/3 rupees has to be shared in the ratio of 1/3 to 1/3. Got it?
Very
This
nice.
is this is extra, and these are the percentage they will get
That is
back.
the ratio in which it has to be shared.
Right. So 52.
You got 52 2/3 by basically doubling 26 2 by 3, right?
Did I do it wrong?
I think it will become 53 1 by 3. So like 26 2/3 into 2 will be.
Okay. Sorry. Yes. 53 1 by 3. Sorry. Yeah.
What?
53. It is not 52 2 by 3. It is 53 1 by 3.
Oh, you have to divide 160
What
by
is
3.
160 by 160 by 3? Yeah. So 160 by 3, you do it in the ratio. So 1/3 x plus 7/3 x is equal to 160 by 3. So 3 cancel. 8x is equal to 160. X is equal to 20. And now you do the math. So this guy gets A gets 20 upon 3. This guy gets.
Why upon 3 now?
Why? X upon 3, no? Why X upon 3, no? 1/3 X is the amount that he'll get, right?
Okay.
1/3 X is 20 upon 3, isn't it?
So
20 upon 3
56 by 18.
The other guy will get 140 upon 3. That's it. 140 upon 3 and 20 upon 3. Correct? Ashwin, answer?
Wait. So now it's like you are saying A should get 62 by 3 rupees and B should get 42 by 3 rupees, is it?
Wait. A should get.
You are saying A should get 20 by 3 rupees, B should get 140 by 3 rupees, right? Is that what you're saying?
140 by 3, isn't it? 3, 6, 7.
46 2 by 3.
Yeah, 40.
We can just leave it at 140 by 3 itself. That is also
140 is okay. Rupees. Now you have to add all of them. 160 by 3. Yeah.
Yeah, that amounts to 53 by 1/3.
Doesn't matter. Yeah.
If you add these 6.
So 1 plus where is that guy's share? 26 2 by 3, right? Amount.
Yeah, that is what we actually wait from that part. 20 by 3 plus 140 by 3.
240 by 3 is. Yeah, so 80 rupees is each person share, no?
Everyone is supposed to pay 80, but it's like you are saying you will give 20 by 3 to A and 140 by 3 to B. So totally it only adds up to 53 1 by 3. So C has paid 80 rupees, but of which you are only giving 53, you are only splitting 53 rupees to A and B, right? So C has given 80 rupees. What are you doing with this 80 rupees?
Okay, so I should actually get 80 rupees worth. No, so this guy is keeping 26 by 3 rupees to himself. He is not giving the entire 80 rupees to these people.
Oh, but the problem is saying like he is giving 80 rupees and now he's saying, yeah, this is like my bill, this is what I'm giving. According to your calculation, it's like he is effectively, he's giving 80 rupees, but he's getting back 26 2 by 3, right? Then it's like he need not have paid 80 rupees. He could have just given like water.
No. 1 minute. 1 minute. It's something like this. He was supposed to pay this much logs, 8 by 3, and he paid extra. What was his extra component? 160 by 3.
Apparently, what Ashwin is saying is he did not pay any money extra. His money was complete.
Yeah. So what I'm trying to say that this was the logs he was supposed to pay 8 by 3 logs. The logs cost Megha. He paid instead of logs, he paid its cost, right, Megha? Ashwin, am I right? So 8 by 3x will give you, what is the extra component he paid as amount? 160 by 3. Okay. See, according to this table, C paid 8 by 3x. I mean, this much deficiency means he was supposed to pay these logs, right? He didn't bring any log.
Yeah, correct.
He compensated it by paying extra amount, which was 160 by 3.
वो C खाली A और B को देने के लिए लाया है. वो 80 रुपीज से खाली उन दोनों का शेयर लाया है. मतलब उसमें उसके लिए कुछ भी पैसा बचता नहीं है अपने लिए.
बराबर है ना, तो उसके लिए कुछ नहीं बचता है, बट ही वॉज सपोज टू पे फॉर 8 by 3 लॉग्स ना. मतलब ऐसा पकड़ के चलो कि तीनों ने सरीखा लाया है. So you will divide this by 3.
Yes. So Shubhangi, now this argument is going to give you the answer. So he has to pay for 8 by 3 logs. For 8 by 3 logs, he is paying 80 rupees.
80 rupees. That's what I say. He paid 80 rupees, Ashwin.
Yeah. So he has to, everyone has to pay for 8 by 3 logs.
Okay, that's what Megha was trying to say. He paid for his share, instead of 8/3 logs, he paid 80 rupees for that. So
Yes.
8 logs will give. I could have done it this way. Okay. So 30. So he paid 33 is 90 and he paid 150. So
Okay.
2/3 का कितना होगा रे?
So this guy will get only, so this guy will get 10 rupees. नहीं 10 rupees नहीं.
क्यों 10?
Wait, 10 नहीं.
उसने 90 rupees पे किया. A paid 90 rupees and B paid 150 rupees.
90 and 150.
So
That
90
is
plus
240.
60
240.
is 150. 60 plus उसको, तो 60 तो निकाल दो और बचा हुआ तो इसको 10 मिलेगा और इसको सॉरी इसको 70 मिलेगा और इसको 10 मिलेगा.
हाँ.
है ना? जो इसने ऑलरेडी 60 तो एक्स्ट्रा पे किया है, so वो that 60 you have to give extra to B.
Correct.
बचा हुआ 80 में से 60 इसको गया तो 20 में से 10 हो गया, so 70 and 10.
Yeah.
Is it right?
Yes. So, right. So basically, the 80 rupees that C is giving, B has to take 70 rupees and A has to take 10 rupees. So then all of them will have spent 80 rupees.
A very simple problem actually. Unnecessarily our mind thinks complex.
Yeah. Sometimes it happens.
So yeah, this is the typical Russian math circle problem. Yeah, this is like from Russian math circle only. Yeah, this is like a one-line question only.
Okay.
That's all the question is.
Okay, this is a classic problem.
315 के बाद थोड़ा.
Right. Exactly. So you have to find that exact time.
316. Okay, we'll have to see 60 divided by. When
60
minute
hand?
hand is completing one rotation, basically our hand is completing just going through that five units.
Counts. Five counts.
Yeah. So 60, when it's advancing through 60, it's advancing through 5. So for 15, it is coming 5/4. But they are not meeting exactly, means when our hand, not our hand, minute hand is at 315. This is minute hand. Our hand will move through 1.25 here. Okay, this is means 3 point. I mean, it will be somewhere here. So now, how to match these two? I'm not getting any idea.
Right.
I'm just thinking aloud now.
So the key insight is that when the time, basically when the time the minute hand makes one full rotation, this hour hand is moving like only 5 minutes of rotation, right? So basically the minute hand is moving 12 times faster than the hour hand.
Right.
That is the insight.
Okay. Yeah. So you can see those 4 counts, right? In between 3 and 4, right?
Yes.
So for every one such count, how much between 3 and the first count? So right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or write ABCD, right? ABCD, so that we don't get confused. ABCD. So when the minute hand is at 3 o'clock, when the minute hand is at 3 number, the second hand is between A and B.
When the minute hand is at 12, the hour hand is at 3. Exactly.
3. That is correct. That is correct.
When minute hand is at 3:12,
every 5 minutes that the minute hand moves, or for every 15 minutes that the minute hand moves, the our hand I was saying something else actually. I forgot what I was saying.
Right. So basically, yeah.
Where did you
Shubham,
get 12 from?
so what Shubhani is saying is at 3:12 the hour hand will be at A. At 3:24 the hour hand will be at B.
Like this, right,
Huh.
Megha?
Yes. 312, 324,
So-
and what is the third one? 330?
36.
36.
348 and 4 o'clock. Correct.
But then
No, so
this is
basically,
of no use.
no,
This is of
yeah, no. It is basically what, this we may not use, but what we need to see is for every 12 counts, or from between 3 to A to B, B to C, that the hour hand is moving. The minute is moving for how much? Basically we need to find that.
No, just imagine where the hands are at 3:12. Shubhang, you can draw with some other color, maybe like some blue or something. So just imagine where the hands are at 3:12.
This is 312. 1 minute.
So 3:12 means our hand is pointing at A.
Our hand is pointing at A. Okay.
312, it is this is at the minute hand is pointing there, huh?
Correct. So at 3:12, it's like the minute hand is behind, the hour hand is in the front. Right.
Correct.
1, 2,
And now imagine at 3:24, where the hands are at 3:24.
324. 3.
So it has to be between both of them. 24, it has to be between 12 and 24.
So when you come to
So
3:24,
this is pointing towards B, 3:24.
And the minute hand is like very close to 5, right? It's like 3:24. So it's very close to 5.
5 there, huh?
So basically, the minute hand has overtaken the hour hand sometime between 3:12 and 3:24.
Yes.
Between those 12 minutes.
Yes. So take the half of that exactly. So 318.
But I mean, you just know that it has overtaken. You don't know if it overtook exactly at the middle point, right?
No. The speeds are different, na. So this is moving slowly. That hand is moving
But they
faster.
are
So it
moving at
cannot be.
constant speed, Mega. But they are moving at constant speed, right? Though they are moving differently.
For every 1 minute, this will move. Okay, so let us see. Every 1 minute, the hour hand will move 1/12 of the distance between A and B.
Correct. Yes.
1/12 of the distance for every minute of the minute hand. So 1/12 of the distance means how do we figure out? So say for example, in the next 5 minutes. So the next 5 minutes, the minute hand will go from 312 to 317. And the hour hand will go from 312 to 312 plus 5/12. 5/12. 5/12.
Right. So you are saying when the minute hand is moving from what 3:12 to
317, basically
1/12
or 315. Okay, 315. Chalo, let us do it 315. Okay, from 312 to 315 in 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, our hand will move 3/12 of that distance. And 3/12 of that distance is well, okay, it was earlier at A, no? So 1/4 of that distance between A and B. how will we know 1/4 of that distance between A and B? So now this hand is at 3 and this is 1/4 of the distance between A and B. This is still in 3 minutes. So maybe in 6 minutes. This is at minute hand. Okay, the minute hand would have overtaken, I think. The minute hand is at C and our hand is at still between, so in next, it is somewhere between A and B only, but where I'm not able to figure out.
Yeah.
Ashwin, give me some hint.
Okay, so
it has to be between A and B.
Frame this question. So it is the same as asking, there is one guy over here and he walks at a certain pace, and then there is another guy who is like on a bike or something who can go faster. At which point will this guy
They meet.
catch up with this guy? This is the same question. So like our hand is like the slow moving guy, minute hand is the fast moving guy. This our hand has like a 15, this 90-degree lead. But this faster guy will eventually catch up this guy. So it is the same problem. The minute hand is like 12 times faster than.
Yeah, 12 times. So it is 1/12. So speed should be measured in counts per minute, right? In this case.
Right. So you are looking at like the divisions of the clock. So
yeah.
like
So
between 1 and 12, you are considering it as 5.
1 and 12 or 12 and 2. 12 and 12.
No. I'm just wondering, you are looking in terms of minutes, or you are looking at angle in degrees or something like that. That's what.
Right. Okay. Yes. This is an angle and degrees also. Yes, correct. So no, I was not looking at degrees so far, but now I got a hint. So 360, yes. So minute hand is moving in 360 degrees in 60 minutes, 6 degrees per minute. And the hour hand is moving at 360 divided by 12 degrees per 60 minutes. 40 degrees per 60 minutes. That is half degree per minute. So it is 1/12, correct? Okay. So now at 3 o'clock, our hand is at 3 and minute hand is at 12. 3:12. Our hand is at 12 multiplied by 12 minutes. Would have moved 6 into 12. 72 degrees. So, but yeah, I'm almost there. I know that. I just have to figure out how many degrees they will cross between those two times.
So I found this problem in this book, Mathematician's Delight.
Okay.
That's a book by a guy named W. Sawyer.